Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the price of crude is currently trading at around $83.86. Okay, and one important thing that you have to note that it is moving in a particular trend. Okay, and this trend, as you can see, that whenever it goes high, we have seen there is a sharp fall. Okay, and whenever it goes high of this particular point, that means suppose if this is the high of this particular, when it is trying to move upside. Okay, when it goes high for the second time, we have seen again a sharp fall. Okay, in the same way it broke this particular high, went up for the third time, and then again a sharp fall. Okay, this is repeated for the fifth time. Okay, now it was trying to repeat for the sixth time, but we have seen there is a sharp fall. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart for the next week. Okay, before we move forward, I'll explain you a few things that the percentage change in crude is 27.3% last year, and today, as we know, that the open is around 83.07 and a day high made it around 84.49. Okay, and a low of around 82.40. Why I'm telling you this? Because there is a Fed rate hike has happened. Okay, because of which we have seen there is a rise in commodities and fall in crude price. Okay, as we have seen, because of the speech also the price of crude has moved upside, and after that what we have seen, it has now trading at around 83.75. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in crude and other commodities, and a telegram link also are given in the description. You can join that too. Now suppose if this particular level sustain, why I'm giving on an upper side, because a probability of moving further down is very high. Okay, but suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see a support coming at around $81.10. Okay, so suppose if this level sustain a level of 83.79, we can see it can go towards a level of resistance at 85.31, and this is the particular strong resistance. If this level sustain above this particular level, we can see it can go further high towards a level of 89.85, which is again weak resistance. So probability is high, we can see it can go towards a level of $91.79. Okay, so once the price goes above $91.79, there is a higher probability of moving towards a level of $95.39. Okay, and this particular resistance with a strong support coming just near to it, that is around 90, support coming at around 92.44. so we can see it can bounce toward downside, and from there 92.44 we can see a bounce back towards an upside and can touch a level of around $97.62. Okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, the probability is high that we can see it can touch a level of $101.84, and if that level goes further high, we can see it can touch a level of around 105.40. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. If the price goes above 105.40, we can see it can go towards a level of 108.97, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 119. Keep this in mind. If the price goes above 105, then a probability of touching 114 towards a level of 119 is very high, and then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, now as we know that the market is uncertain, and I've already explained you that overall trend for crude is continuously down. Okay, so suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see it can move further down, as we have seen that today's low is around 82.40, and at 10 days average volume is around 1,76,196.7 Okay, so what we can see, suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down again to a level of $82. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $81.10. Okay, suppose if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $79.50. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $74.20. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $69.3. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then there is a higher probability of moving further low towards a level of $66.19. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then there is higher probability that we can see it can move towards a level of around $65.86. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then there is a higher probability it can go towards a level of $62.80, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of around $61.33. Okay, and once the price fall below 61.33, then we can see it can move further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. And one important thing that you have to understand, that if you are trading and investing, for trading you can say that the price can go further upside or downside, is quite a volatile for 1 or 2 years, as we have seen there is a lot of happening in this particular year. Okay, and if you are trading, you have to be very careful, because the market is uncertain as of now, and the volatility is also high. So always try to set your limit for the SL and a particular trade for a particular amount, if you want to, for a trading for a particular order. Okay, so you should set your amount of SL or particular percentage of your SL, so that if goes below that, you can exit the trade. I do all these in my workshop. If you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.